Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the SALONFACTORY rolling stool with wheels. Whether you're in a tattoo studio, a salon, a lab, or just need a comfortable seat for your home office, this stool claims to offer the support and adjustability you need for all-day work sessions. Let's talk about comfort first. The seat boasts a generous 3-inch thick padding, which they say is 30 to 40% thicker than your average office stool. After testing it out, I can vouch for its softness and support, making those long hours at the desk a lot more bearable. Adjustability is key when it comes to finding the right seating position, especially if you're tackling different tasks throughout the day. This stool offers a 360 degrees height adjustable frame, ranging from 18.7 to 23.8 inches. Plus, the seat rotates smoothly, allowing for easy access to various workspaces. Now, let's talk about mobility. The stool comes equipped with 5 360 degrees swivel plastic casters, ensuring you can glide effortlessly across different floor surfaces. Whether it's tile, wood, or carpet, you'll be able to move around with ease, without any noisy interruptions. Durability is another factor to consider, especially if you're investing in a chair for heavy-duty use. The SALONFACTORY stool features a reinforced 5-leg metal base that can support up to 400 pounds. So whether you're a salon professional or a medical professional, this stool has got your back. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with what the SALONFACTORY rolling stool with wheels brings to the table, or should I say, brings to the workstation. It's comfortable, adjustable, mobile, and sturdy, a combination that's hard to beat, especially for the price point. If you're in the market for a new office chair, salon stool, or something in between, this might just be worth considering. And hey, don't forget, they offer a 30-day refund and return policy, so you can try it out risk-free. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.